The war in Gaza has now spilled far beyond its borders, and Yemen's Houthis, well, they are making sure that the world is paying attention to them. In what they call their ultimate revenge, the rebels have launched a wave of drones and missile strikes on Israel. Their targets weren't really small or symbolic. They went straight for Tel Aviv's heart. The IDF General Staff headquarters, the international airport, and even an Israeli-linked ship sailing through the Red Sea, well, they were all declared under the attack. But why now? Let's talk about that. Just days ago, Israeli airstrike killed several Houthi top leaders, including their prime minister. Now, for the group, this was not just an attack on commanders, it was personal. And yes, their message back to Israel was very clear that you hit our leaders, we will hit your capital. The Houthis, officially known as Ansar Allah, they are no strangers to long wars. For years, they have fought a brutal battle inside Yemen against Saudi-led forces backed by the West. But since the Gaza war began, they have expanded their battlefield, turning the Red Sea and Israel itself into targets. Their justification? That was that Israel is committing war crimes in Gaza and the Houthis, well, this particular group is part of an axis of resistance and they must respond now. You know what makes these attacks specifically worrying is the geography here. By striking ships in the Red Sea, the Houthis are choking one of the world's most important trade routes. Be it oil tankers, cargo vessels, global shipping lanes, all could be caught in the crossfire, and every time they launch a drone or a missile, they are not just hitting Israel, they are shaking the global markets and testing how far the world will actually tolerate the disruption. For Israel, this is a dangerous new front. Defending Tel Aviv and the skies over Gaza is already a massive challenge for them. Now, missiles from Yemen, hundreds of miles away, add another layer of the threat. And the Houthis? Well, of course, they are openly daring Israel to retaliate further, promising more fires if their leaders continue to be targeted. This isn't just Yemen versus Israel anymore. Behind the closed doors, Houthis are backed by Iran. They're a long-time backer, by the way, supplying weapons, trainings, political support, which means that every single drone that flies out of Yemen carries a much larger message. A message that Israel's war in Gaza is pulling up in entire region piece by piece. The Houthis' attack underline a brutal reality. The reality that this war is no longer confined to Gaza. It is stretching across the Middle East, threatening global trade and dragging in regional powers. And with each strike, the risk of much wider confrontation grows stronger and stronger.